Namaste, I'm Khuahhish, and this is second part to the series How to Strengthen a Very Weak Lower Back. Having a very weak lower back can be very challenging. That being why in part 1, the exercises which have been mentioned and which you have been asked to do are very basic exercises. But now this is the part 2, so we're gonna go a little intense since we have already done part 1. We have already practiced it for maybe more than a month. So I bet your back is stronger to get started with what we are about to do next. So now in this, the first bit will be about flexing up our spine completely, as in opening up the back muscles completely. For that, you sit in Vajrasana. Okay. From here, we will be going on all fours. So your palms below your shoulders and your knees are below your hips. If you can see, my toes are pointing back. Inhale, you push your spine down, chest up, look up, keep pushing your palms towards the floor, and exhale. Pull your stomach in and you lift your spine up completely, opening up your spine completely, opening up your shoulders completely. The chin is tucked toward your chest. Inhale. Again, we'll be doing it 5 times. Push your spine down, chest out, look up, hold it, stay there, and exhale. Stomach in and round up your spine. Lift, 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 lift. Keep pushing your palms to the floor and lift it up a little bit more. Inhale again. Open your chest, push your spine down, and exhale. Chin to your chest, lift your spine up, opening it up completely, pulling your core in, hold it, stay there, and inhale. Look up and exhale. Throughout, you're pushing your palms towards the floor. Keep rounding up your spine, opening it up. Body weight is on all fours. Inhale last. Open up, pushing it down, and exhale. Stomach in, and you lift, 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 lift. So that's the first thing that you'll be doing. It could be soon after you have woken up, because normally, like I mentioned before also, if you have a very weak spine, which I have dealt with over many years, then when you wake up, the first thing in the morning, you feel the pinch in your lower back. It feels heavy, it feels stiff. So like I said, even in part 1, that either you could take a hot water bag, open it up, and then this could be the first thing that you do in the morning. And after this, the second thing that you do is for something to strengthen and to open up your upper back. So what we do, you got to lie down on the mat. Lie down absolutely straight. And then your elbows are directly below your shoulders. As kids, I remember we would love watching the TV like this. Yeah. So you could just group your spine down. Okay, drop it down. Relax, relax, relax. Legs are absolutely straight. Your palms are facing the floor. Elbows below the shoulders. If you want to keep your legs together, you can. But if your back is weak, it's going to be a little challenging keeping your legs together. So you can keep a little gap between them. Your toes are pointing back. Okay. Drop it down. Hold it. Relax. 1, 2, 3. And then you inhale. With your elbows, palms, forearms, you push yourself down and you lift your chest up. Throughout, your shoulders are being pulled down. Okay? Hold it here for 5 counts. Breathing is normal. Breathe by the nose, mouth closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, inhale. Sink. relax your body, relax your spine, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and again we lift it up. So again you will be doing it say about 5 to 10 times. I am showing it to you 3 times so that you just get the hang of it. And then after this we'll be moving on to the next asana. So again, push your elbows, your palms, your forearms towards the floor. Push it down. Inhale. And you lift. Look straight ahead. Try keeping your hips together, legs together. Point your toes back. Keep pulling your shoulders down, away from your ears. Hold it there. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again. Just relax. Relax your upper body completely. And the last time, inhale. Look straight ahead. Try keeping your legs together. Keep pushing your elbows towards the floor. Shoulders away from your ears. Hold it. Stay there. 4, 5, and drop. So this is the second asana. I actually call it a cross between Bhujangasana and crocodile pose. Yeah, it's somewhere because your elbows, your forearms, you have got full support, but still your upper back is working. So when you're lifting yourself up, you have to mentally connect with the muscles of your upper back. It is also good for opening up your chest cavity completely. So now the last one. Now what is the last one? We got to work on the lower back as well. So we'll be doing Ardha Shalabhasana or half locust. How do we do it? Arms straight. Your palms are below your stomach, below your body. Elbows below your stomach, palms below your body. Keep your legs together. Chin is on the floor. Inhale. And you lift your leg up. Now when you lift your leg up, your hips will not come up, okay? Both hips are in one line. You're just lifting your leg up. Hold it to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we do the other leg. Inhale. And lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again we do it once again. Inhale. And you lift. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And inhale. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. So this is half locust which we do for the lower back. So technically you have worked on your upper back and you have worked on your lower back. Now how much should you lift yourself? You should lift as much as you comfortably can. Now the last one. Last one is Sarpasana, but there's a slight variation in Sarpasana which I put in here. So how do we do the Sarpasana, or we also call it the snake pose? Arms behind your back. So I keep my forehead here, forehead down. Arms behind my back. My palms are literally on my hips. I have interlaced my fingers. Now for some people even doing this is an issue. So what you can do, you can use a belt. You can hold on to a belt here. Okay? If you cannot, interlace. Some people find interlacing not very comfortable, so you can even hold on to your hand. But I prefer interlacing because this is more balanced. Keep your legs together, palms on the floor. Inhale. And you lift. So the variation is in Sarpasana, you're only lifting the upper body up. But herein we are lifting the legs and the chest up. Hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now when you're doing Sarpasana throughout, the feel is as if somebody is pulling your arms behind you, lifting you up. So you're literally lifting your upper body up, and at the same time you're lifting your legs up. Let's do it once again so that you get a better hang of it. Again, forehead on the floor, arms behind your back, interlace your fingers, try keeping your legs together. Inhale and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the fourth one that you will be doing. Okay, from here we gently get up, go into the baby pose to just relax our spine. Just relax. Just relax. Relax the neck, relax the spine, relax the shoulders, just relax. And slowly come up. So, if you do this sequence again religiously for about a month or two, trust me, your back woes, issues with your spine will be a thing of the past. So herein I wrap up on this note. Stay active, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Namaskar.